What's up, gang? Heading across Midtown, going to check out SALTBAE'S restaurant, NUSR-ET. I'm sure you've all seen the internet craze, slapping the meat, dropping the salt down his elbow and forearm through all of his hair onto the food. We'll see how it is. I'm meeting up with some friends so that we could try a bunch of stuff on the menu, kind of get it all banged out in one shot. It's going to be dark by the time I leave, so I'll just point you to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Head there for the full review, all the pictures. By the time I put this video together, that review will be up and ready to rock. You let me know what you think. Crowded streets here. So I just got to take the next left onto 53rd, and then it should be a crossover by like 6th Ave. A lot of Midtown crowd right now. Rush hour. So my friends and I scoped it out, so we know that Mr. Bae is actually going to be on site, and I think we'll be able to meet him. From what I understand, he's a humble man. You might think that's a joke, but that's really what I've heard. He is a very talented butcher, though. I've watched his knife skills now that I've had some training myself. He is legit. Man, I'm getting every light. Almost got doored. Gotta be on the lookout for that kind of shit. Man, this traffic sucks. Motherfuckers. Alright, so it's just coming up. I think one more avenue. It should be on the left. Let me know what you think of this place and the character, SALTBAE himself. If you've been here, drop a note in the comments. Let me know what you think. Another fucking light. But we're here. Right there. Right next to the halal guys. Alright, I'll see you guys on the inside.
When is your first? When you open? 5:35. Beef roll up.
Do you know what cut of beef that is?
This is a tenderloin.
Tenderloin?
Wagyu tenderloin. I know you're not able to do it, so. Some balsamic vinaigrette. Fresh pepperoni.
The fancy ones. Hey.
Ooh, very nice. Yeah, slap it.
Can you put salt in his mouth?
Please don't.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Video.
Oh. I didn't realize the chef was there.
Did not see that coming.